Hey, welcome to my first YouTube video, and it is my 2019 bullet journal flip through. It's my first year bullet journaling, and it's going to be fun to show you guys. So, jumping right into the 2019 and photos and right into January, have the habits, the mood tracker. Yep, did some text tracking there. I was really loving the Dutch store spread the first few months of the year. It just left a lot of room for planning and like long form journaling. I was headed up to Santa Fe in February, so decided to go with a Southwest theme. As you can see, I'm still loving the Dutch store and working on some passport checklists and learning French, getting ready for a trip. That's about all the room I had in this journal. It was a little too small for my long form journaling. As you can see, I had a little doodle page, practice page, and then I was ready to move over to a much larger journal for the rest of the year. It's my future log, places I want to travel to, books I want to read, and then I recreated the first few pages, few spreads there from the last journal and hopped right into March. We did a Marie Kondo in March, so I had a spread and a checklist for that. Also started doing the long form journal entries with a piece of tracing paper. For April, I did a 420 theme. Also incorporated a doodle calendar. Oh, and I also went curly girl in April, so I kept up with the products that I was using. May we went bird theme, and I tried out these really fun personal history writing prompts. So when I didn't have long form things to write about, these were fun. June is my birthday month, so it's a mishmash of watermelons, balloons, and margaritas. Also, got a little more heavy into planning the Paris trip with packing lists and things to do. Pool party July. This was fun as well. The water texture came out really nice with just a little bit of watercolor and a white jelly roll pen. A little half Dutch door there. And then August was the trip to Paris, well, France. And so there's a lot of checklists there and just doodles and things to get me excited for the trip. And then every day on the trip, I took photos and had a plan. So whenever we got back, I decided to print out the photos from every day of the trip just as a little scrapbook and also put an envelope in there to keep some of the tickets and keepsakes. Also had to document my washi tapes. September. So I did a little Amanda Rach Lee recreation here for September. I'm also running out of pages at this point, so everything becomes a little more condensed. October is candy themed, and I did the first half of Inktober. You can see there I had song quotes on every weekly that had to do with candy. November was this scrapbook type of theme, very fall. Also went to the rolling weeklies here. And here we are in December. I went watercolor pink girly tree crazy and kept with the rolling weeklies. Really liked how it came out. The back of the book is some doodling practice and spread ideas and my dot grid cheat sheet. And that is my 2019 flip through. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want to keep seeing videos or if you want any more in-depth info about the products I use. I have no idea because I've never done this. And so I'm just trying to stick my toes in the YouTube waters and see if you guys want more content. So thank you.